In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a banner for free using Canva. Let's jump right in and get your banner ready for the platform you care about most. First, open Canva. On the home page, head to the search bar and type banner, then select the type of banner you want: YouTube banner, Facebook cover, or web banner. This step makes a big difference because it gives you the exact dimensions for that platform, so your design fits perfectly without awkward cropping later. Next, browse through the templates that appear. You'll see thousands of professionally designed options. Keep an eye out for the crown icon. Templates without it are free to use. Click on a template you like to open it, or start with a blank design if you want full creative control. Now it's time to customize. Canva's drag and drop editor makes everything straightforward. Click any text box to change the wording, and use the toolbar to adjust the font, color, and size. Aim for clear, readable fonts and good contrast so your message stands out. If your platform has a safe area like YouTube banners, choose a template that respects that space so nothing important gets cut off. To add visual interest, open the Elements tab. Here you can find free icons, shapes, illustrations, and lines. Drag and drop them onto your canvas, then resize and reposition as needed. Try aligning elements for a clean, balanced look, and don't be afraid to use spacing to give your design room to breathe. If you have your own photos or logos, go to the Uploads tab and bring them in from your device. Once uploaded, drop them into your design and adjust as needed. If your logo has a specific color palette, match your design colors to it for brand consistency. You can change the color scheme and background to align with your theme, whether that means a solid color, a subtle gradient, or a simple image background that doesn't overpower your text. When you're happy with everything, it's time to download. Click the Share button, then select Download. Choose the right file format for your needs. PNG is generally best for web banners because it stays crisp. JPG works well for photos, and GIF is ideal if you created an animated banner. Select the recommended size for a sharp result, then download and save the high-resolution file to your device. You're now ready to upload it to your social media profile or website. Thanks for watching, and enjoy designing your banner for free with Canva.